Hey girl, hey, so I am here with a trending hairstyle. So the curtain bangs look is all over social media and I am so excited to be trying out this wig from Myfirstwig. They are now offering the curtain bang look. So I love this look. I hope you girls like it too. If you want to see more on how I got this gorgeous look, then you already know the deal. Keep on watching. Okay, so before I get started, again, quick shout out to Myfirstwig for sponsoring this beautiful wig. So this is a 20-inch silky lace frontal wig that has some loose waves in it. Now I did go ahead and wash this hair, but I did not bleach the knots or pluck the hairline because this wig already comes ready to install. Y'all know I love these type of wigs. It's just super easy and convenient to install. So this wig has an invisible lace, pre-plucked hairline, lightly bleached knots, free parting space, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. Also, this wig is great for a glueless install. You don't need any spray, you don't need any glue, but I always like to use a little bit of spray because it makes the lace just lay down a little bit more seamless. So I'm going to go in right here and remove the lace. And while I'm removing the lace, I'm going to zoom in on my hairline so you girls can really get into this pre-plucked hairline.
What's history when we said goodbye? Cross my heart and hope when I die, it's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.
Only you, baby.
Y'all, this is going to be a bomb wig. I can just already tell. So now that I got all the lace removed, I'm going to go in and secure the wig down. Again, remember this is a glueless wig. You do not have to use any type of glue or spray. It's just a preference thing with me to use hairspray because it just melts the lace a little bit more. So of course for this look, because I'm going for the curtain bang look, I'm going to do a bust down middle part. So yeah. Also, because of this look being the curtain bangs look, I don't have to do any type of baby hairs. But what I am going to make sure I do is focus on the roots of this wig, making sure the hairline is pressed out really straight and making sure this wig is super flat, which I mean it already is flat, but just going in with a hot comb and pressing out the hairline and making sure the top of the wig is flat.
What's history when we said goodbye? Cross my heart and hope when I die, it's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.
Only you, baby.
Okay, so now it is time to get into the curtain bangs. So this wig already comes with some bangs cut in the front, but I am going to go in and cut the bangs a little bit more and then also add some layers to this wig. So basically the curtain bangs is like how 𝐏𝐫𝐞 used to wear her hair back like in 2007, 2008. But this particular look has been around for a long time. So it was definitely here before Kim and will be here after Kim. So basically what you want to do is take a section of your hair in the front and you want to cut your hair. Of course, don't cut too much off at the beginning. start long and then work your way cutting more as you go. So basically what I'm starting off with is this part of the wig or hair section has already been cut. So it pretty much starts where my cheekbone is, and then I'm going to add a small layer to it. Again, making sure you do not cut too much off at the beginning. You want to go in and cut after you curled your hair. And once I got the bangs in the front cut, I'm going to just move to another section behind my ear and start cutting my hair in layers, going in a downwards motion. You can use scissors, shears, a razor comb, whatever you would like to help you achieve the layered look. A razor comb is a lot easier to get layers in your hair versus like scissors or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to take sections and just cut going in layers, going down. Again, not cutting off too much because you can always go in and take off hair after you curl, but if you take off too much hair at the beginning, it's no way to fix that. So yeah, start off light and then work your way into shorter sections.
So much mystery when we said goodbye. Cross my heart and hope when I die, it's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.
Only you, baby.
Okay, so all the layers is pretty much cut. Now I'm going to go in and curl my hair. When you curl your hair, make sure you're curling away from your face. This is so important, especially when it comes to seeing those layers pop throughout your look. Okay, so now I have made my way to the front of my hair, which is pretty much the bangs, and I'm still following that same curling method, which is curling away from my face. And then as I'm curling my hair, I'm going in and adding a little bit of layers or more layers in the front of this wig.
So much mystery when we said goodbye. Cross my heart and hope when I die, it's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.
Only you, baby.
Curls and layers is looking good, so now I'm going to take my fingers and start finger combing the curls out, loosening up the curl. Ooh, look at them layers. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Look at that hairline, y'all. This hairline is melted. It literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp. This wig is indeed gorgeous, and the hairline on this wig is perfect. So now that the curls have been fluffed out, I'm going to define the part with a little bit of concealer and continue running my fingers through this gorgeous hair. So there are several different ways you can wear your curtain bangs. You can wear your bangs just like this, where it's not as close to your eyes, or you can give your bangs a little lift and a little volume by taking a curling iron and putting it right at the roots to make the bangs appear higher. So this is one way that you can wear your curtain bangs. Super cute, fun, youthful look. And if you want the bangs to be more towards your face, you just simply put your touch your bangs and bring it inward, bring it towards your face. I don't really like my bangs to be in my eyes like that, but I love for my bangs to fall in layers like this. This is a super cute look, and by the way, I did not go back in and cut any more layers to this wig. So if you're going for the curtain bang look and you decide to get this wig, this is one look that you can get with this wig. It's very soft, very light, flirty, and fun. And then if you want a little bit more volume where the bang is, just take your hot comb and press going upward to add that volume in the bangs. So if you really want to get into the layers in this wig and you really want your hair to have a lot more volume, keep running your fingers through this hair, just like this. Alright, so this is the look that I absolutely love and is my go-to look. Look at how these layers is popping with this wig. Look at how the bang is coming out in this wig. So this is another way that you can wear this wig. If you want more of your layers to show, definitely run your fingers through your hair. Not too much though, because you don't want to be recurling sections of the hair. But run your fingers enough in the front where those layers just fall. Like, this is such a gorgeous wig. The lace, the hairline makes this wig even better. But the way these curls fall and the way these layers look in this wig, girl, y'all better get y'all one of these and stop playing. Okay, girl, clearly this is the final look. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all better get y'all one. Coupon codes will be below in the description bar. Also, big shout out again to Myfirstwig for sponsoring this gorgeous wig. Thanks for watching. See you girls in the next video.